Hello students, in the last classes we learned about fractions. We learned different types of fractions and how can we change mixed fraction into improper fraction and how to change improper fraction into mixed fraction. Now today we are going to start our new chapter, chapter 12, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of fractions. In today's class, I am going to teach you how to do addition of fractions. Addition of fractions are of two types. One is addition of like fractions and one is addition of unlike fractions. When you do the addition of like fractions, what we have to do? We have to add the numerators by common denominator. This is what we have learned in our class 3. Okay. Now, what we are going to learn new, that is addition of unlike fractions. If the denominators are not same, how we are going to add them? Okay. Then shall we start? Okay. First question you can see here, 2 by 11 plus 5 by 11. You can see here denominators are same. Both are having 11 as denominator. In this case, what we have to do? We have to add the numerators by what is the denominator of both the numbers? That is 11. That 11 only we have to write as the denominator here. 5 plus 2 is 7 by 11. You need not add the denominators. This is the common mistake what some of you do. They will add the numerators and they also add the denominators. You shouldn't add the denominators, only numerators should be added and the common denominator should be written in the denominator's place. We got the answer 7 by 11. Now next you can see 3 by 5 and 7 by 8. Here, both the numerators and denominators are different. And not only that, with the numerators same also, we cannot do anything. Okay? We have to see whether they are like fractions. Here, denominators are different. It means they are unlike fractions. Then what we have to do? In comparison of fractions, we learned to bring the fractions having the same denominators. Then what process we did there? We found the LCM. Here also what we have to do? We have to find the LCM of the denominators. Here 5 and 8. 5 and 8, do they have any common factors? No. So what we have to do? What will be its LCM? The product of 5 and 8 will be its LCM. 5 8s are 40. Now, the next step what to do? We have to make equivalent fractions for the given fractions having LCM as the denominators. We have to change, either we have to change both the fractions into fractions having the same denominator or the LCM as the denominator, or we can do the same thing in a single step. I will show you how to do it. Here, LCM will be, or denominator will be 40. Okay? LCM will take the place of denominator. Now, numerator what we have to do? First we have to see what is multiplied with 5 to make it 40. Okay? What should be multiplied with 5 to make it 40? 5 8s are 40. We can write in small here. 5 8s are 40. We have to multiply the numerator also with the same 8. 3 multiplied by 8. Next, what we have to do? We have to see what should be multiplied by 8 to get 40. 8 5s are 40. Say the table of the denominator. Okay, how many 8s are 40? 8 5s are 40. Multiply the numerator also with the same number. 7 multiplied by 5. Now we can see 3 8s are 24 plus 7 5s are 35. Denominator is 40. What answer we get? 5 plus 4, 9. 3 plus 2, 5. 59 by 40. When you get an answer, improper fraction. When you get your answer as improper fraction, what we have to do? We can change it into mixed fraction. For changing improper fraction into mixed fraction, what to be done? 59 numerator should be divided by the denominator. 59 divided by 40. What do you get? 140s are 40. Then what is remaining? 19 is remaining there. Then denominator will be same. Your answer will be 119 by 40. Okay? We can do one more question. 1 by 2 plus 3 by 7 plus 1 by 4. Now, first what we have to do? Find the LCM of the denominators. 2, 7, 4. You can see 2 and 4 both are divisible by 2. How many 2s are 2? 2 1s are 2. Bring down 7. 2 2s are 4. Now there is no common factor for 7 and 2. Then what will be our LCM? LCM is 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 2. That is 2 2s are 4. 4 7s are 28. Now the next step, we can write the denominator as 28. That LCM will become the denominator here. Now we have to see, go to the question. How many 2s are 28? 2 14s are 28. Then we have to multiply the numerator also with 14. 1 into 14. Okay. Next, this bracket is not compulsory, but for showing that separate numbers, I am putting the bracket. Okay. Now, how many 7s are 28? 7 4s are 28. We can multiply the numerator also with the same 4. 3 into 4. How many 4s are 28? 4 7s are 28. Then multiply the numerator also with the same 7. 1 into 7. Now we can concentrate here only. 1 14s are 40 plus 3 4s are 12 plus 1 7s are 7 by 28. Now add them all. By 28. Okay, 33 by 28. You can see our answer is an improper fraction. As it is an improper fraction, we can change it into mixed fraction. If it is a proper fraction, we will not make any changes. We will write it as it is. Okay, when it becomes an improper fraction, we change it into mixed fraction. 128s are 28 and 5 is remaining by 28 will be the answer. Okay, if anyone is finding difficult to do in this method, you can see up to here we have learned so many days. Okay, what we can do, we can find equivalent fractions for 1 by 2 and 3 by 7 and 1 by 4, having LCM as the denominator. Then add them all the 3. Okay? What to do? Find LCM. That step is same only. Then after that, find equivalent fractions for all the 3 fractions having 28 as the denominator. After finding them, add all the 3 numbers. Then also we will get the same to same answer. Hope you all understood. Thank you.